Hello, my name is David Walsh and I'm the CEO of Impact Recycling. We've developed a patented, water-based plastic recycling technology that separates post-consumer plastic to 98% purity, trademarked as BOSS, Baffled Oscillation Separation System. Manufacturers in the plastic industry need at least 85% purity in recycled product for it to be considered as a viable alternative to virgin polymer. If we understand the compounding effect in recycling, we can recognize why purity is our focus. If recycled product has 90% purity, then the compounding effect means that the next time it's recycled, the maximum purity will be 90% of that, or 81%, and therefore not suitable for most plastic products. The higher the purity, the more times it can be recycled. At 98%, BOSS can ensure plastic is recycled up to 8 times. Increasing that purity by just 0.5% increases the recycling rate to 11 times. So what's the problem that we are addressing? Our feedstock is post-consumer mixed rigid plastic and accounts for 70% of plastics produced and makes up 60% of the plastic sent to landfill or incineration in the EU today. Why? Two problems. One, existing near-infrared technology cannot identify and hence separate or dark plastic, which you can see accounts for up to 30% of the plastic fraction. Scalability. Manufacturers in the plastic industry need to see a scalable recycling process to rationalize switching from virgin to recycled material. Our BOSS technology solves these problems by providing a scalable, automated, water-based solution that is color agnostic, separating black plastic to the same 98% purity as other colors. So how does it work? Well, like all good ideas, it's not complicated. The best analogy is when a twig and a heavy stick are flowing down a stream and encounter a whirlpool caused by a rock in the stream. The heavy stick can navigate through while the twig ends up stuck in the whirlpool current. In the same way, BOSS separates plastic by exploiting the density differential between plastic types. We create a current in a tank of water with vortexes or whirlpools by oscillating baffles. The vortexes are designed to trap the lighter plastic and allow the heavier plastic to navigate through to the bottom of the tank, where they emerge to rise in an outer tank, allowing separation. A third heavy fraction sinks directly to the bottom of the tank. We established our first plant in Newcastle in 2018. Our recycled PP and PE is accredited with official end-of-waste status with the EA in the UK, by virtue of its purity, consistency, and the robust application of quality control procedures. So what is the market for recycled plastic? Global brands, supported by consumers, are committed to recycling plastic through campaigns like the Ellen MacArthur Plastic Pact. This has led to a tremendous increase in the demand for high-quality recycled products and technologies that can deliver high-purity recycled material at scale. Chemical recycling is one of these technologies. It's capable of producing near virgin-like recycled material. However, the process requires very pure feedstock. BOSS mechanical recycling technology unlocks the economics of chemical recycling technology by virtue of the purity of the product that we produce and can supply. By example, in 2018, we successfully came through a Procter & Gamble due diligence process to sign agreements with PureCycle Technologies to supply BOSS technology in all of their future plants, starting with the Maiden plant in Ohio. BOSS technology complements both the mechanical and chemical recycling industries. Our business model is to open further facilities globally, a copy of paste of what we're doing in Newcastle, and to license our technology to third parties such as PureCycle. Additionally, we are also focused on commercializing our BOSS technology for 2D post-consumer plastic film and 1D plastic fibers such as fishing nets and carpet fibers. Laminate and multi-layer material cannot be identified by current NAR technology and can account for up to 20% of the post-consumer plastic film fraction. The vast majority of fishing nets end in landfill or remain in the ocean, where they account for 46% of all ocean plastic. BOSS 1D technology will enable this material to be recycled at scale. In summary, we are working with partners locally and globally to accelerate the rollout of our BOSS technology to recycle 1, 2 and 3D plastics at scale. Thank you for watching.